Awesome job! After learning about all the terms, tools, and technologies that any maintenance personnel might use, we moved on to talk about the different types of maintenance strategies. This section brought together the concepts so far and showed how they exist in practice. The two main types of maintenance that maintenance teams use are reactive and preventive maintenance. Reactive maintenance is the process of repairing assets after a breakdown incident occurs. This type of strategy works on some types of equipment. However, unpredictable stoppages to machinery can have a great impact on production and therefore cost your company a lot of money in the long run. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, is a maintenance strategy intended to increase asset lifetime and uptime by preventing excess depreciation, impairment, or untimely breakdown. With the data and insights provided by a CMMS or other type of maintenance software, your maintenance team will be able to shift to a more proactive state. World-class maintenance programs have over 90% preventive jobs. In an upkeep survey of hundreds of maintenance managers across industries, we found that on average 63% of a team's maintenance is done reactively. By tracking that metric in upkeep, teams can begin to chip away at their reactive maintenance percentage, ultimately bringing it down to under 10%. Within reactive and preventive maintenance, there are many more nuanced strategies, such as run-to-failure maintenance and predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a particularly important one, as it is the most advanced type of maintenance that exists today. Predictive maintenance uses sensor devices to monitor asset condition and predict when the asset will require maintenance to prevent equipment failure. Finally, we covered how to choose which is the right approach for your team and your company. This decision is ultimately based on your specific facility and the assets you manage within it, but the major components to be considered when developing an overall maintenance strategy are your critical assets, legal requirements, production planning, frequency, and cost. Above all, team communication is critical when building your program to keep team members informed and motivated to drive success. In the next section, we'll break down the people behind it all. Since we understand the foundations of maintenance concepts, technologies, and strategies, we can now look at how those responsibilities translate to an organizational structure of maintenance employees. Let's take a look.